Anna Shikarvakova is a Russian figure skater. She was born in Moscow on 28 March 2004 to parents Stanislava and Julia. She has one older sister Inna and one younger sister Yana. In 2007, at age 3, she began learning to skate under Oksana Bulicheva at the Krustelny Rink of the Olympic Reserve Sports School number 37. She won gold at the 2016 Russian Youth Championships younger age. She missed the 2017 Russian Junior Championships held in February after breaking her arm. Returning to competition, she won the silver medal at the 2017 Russian Youth Championships younger age in March. She is the 2021 World Champion, the 2020 European Silver Medalist, the 2019 Grand Prix Final Silver Medalist, the 2019 Skate America Champion, the 2019 Cup of China Champion, the 2019 CS Lombardia Trophy Champion, and a three-time Russian National Champion. In August 2021, Shikarvakova received her Grand Prix assignments for this season to the 2021 International X de France and the 2021 Grand Premio d'Italia. She is currently the second highest ranked women's single skater in the world by the International Skating Union as of October 2021 following Alexandra Trusova. She debuted her Olympic season programs at the 2021 Russian Test Skate event in September and later opened her competitive season in October at the 2021 Budapest Trophy. At the Budapest Trophy, Shikarvakova led the short program but was later overtaken in the free skate by training mate Maria Kromek after falling on her opening quad flip and receiving a number of age and quarter calls. She placed second in the free skate to finish narrowly behind Kromek and take the silver medal overall. She competed as a part of the Russian team for the 2021 World Team Trophy in April, winning the short program on the opening day within 1 point ahead of her Russian teammate Elizaveta. She finished in first place with her combined totals after the free skate and won a gold medal with Russia. She participated in the televised 2021 Channel 1 Trophy as part of the Red Machine team captained by Alina Zagitova. She placed second in both segments of the competition and the Red Machine won the trophy. She opted not to participate in the Russian Cup final. She opted not to participate in the Russian Cup final. She had a somewhat limited ability to train in advance of the 2021 Russian Championships. She won the short program with a score of 80.31 ahead of fellow Sambo 70 skater Kamila Valieva. On the junior level, she is the 2019 World Junior Silver Medalist, the 2018 JGP Slovakia Champion, the 2018 JGP Canada Champion, the 2019 European Youth Olympic Winter Festival Champion, and the 2019 Russian Junior National Bronze Medalist. She currently has the third highest free skating score of any lady, 162.65 points. She is the first senior woman to land two quad lose. Additionally, in 2019, she became the first woman to land two quad lutz jumps in a program with one done in combination with a triple two-loop. She has also landed a quad flip in domestic competition at the 2019 Russian Figure Skating Championships.